Welcome to Pattavara Dual Institute of Technology. This is a free virtual learning center for everybody. Become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Learn free at any place. Learn free at any time. Learn free at any pace. Good luck, learners. Have a good day. This program is brought to you by Mattavara Dual Institute of Technology, MDAIT. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. Learn almost, almost, almost everything free and become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator through Zoom virtual meetings, irrespective of geographical location, with or without the need for constant internet connectivity. Register your name for free webinars. How exactly to register your name for free webinars? It is very easy. Please save the mobile number in your mobile and then send your name by WhatsApp text message, and also send your name by email to x9t9@yahoo.com. Please spread this message to all your contacts so that somebody in some corner of the world will get some benefit out of this free, unique, and amazing opportunity. This is an Atmanirbhar Bharata initiative. Go green, save trees. Good luck, viewers. Have a good day. Thanks to Corona for having made this possible. Efforts will be made to present the information correctly, clearly, and completely in this presentation. However, every keystroke is itself an important source of error, and therefore the end users are required to make use of the information provided here at their own risk, fully knowing their own personal limitations, if any. The study material supplied by the learners is exclusively used wherever possible in the presentations so that the learners will be able to learn from the same study material which they have. However, additional explanations, classroom examples, and exercises will be included as and when required to make the subjects more simpler and more easier to learn. The video recording of all sessions will be made available to all participants to enable them to go through the same as many times as required in individual cases to become an expert in the topic covered in the sessions through the link to YouTube, which is also beneficial to all those who could not join the online session for any reason whatsoever. Mattavara Dual Institute of Technology, MDAIT, is the free virtual learning center for everybody in both letter and spirit. Kindly excuse, we need donations not in the form of money, but in the form of honest opinions, meaningful suggestions, and constructive criticisms to improve the quality and clarity of presentation of the information made during this session so that they are addressed to the best extent possible during all our future sessions and future programs in the best interest of learners. एषः पाठः मम सर्वेषां छात्राणां कृते समर्पितः अस्ति ये मां कथं पाठयितुं शिक्षयन्ति स्म. If we go through the word-to-word meaning Approximately, it is something like this. Yeshaha means this. Pataha means lesson. Mama means mine. Sarvesham means all. Chatranam means students. Krute means for. Samarpitaha means dedicated. Asti means is. Ye means they. Mam means me. Katam means how. Patayitum means teach. Shikshayanti means taught. Sma means we, were, etc. So this one is simply translates roughly into this lesson is dedicated to all my students who taught me how to teach. Yat karoshi tat vadato, yat vadasi tat kuru, yat kartum ichitam tat krutam iti abhileke darshayato. The approximate meaning or translation in Kannada is something like this. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೀರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ದಾಖಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. In English, approximately, the translation is, do what you want to do and show in the record that you have done it. In Hindi, approximately, it means, तुम जो करना चाहते हो वह करो और रिकॉर्ड में दिखाओ कि तुमने वह कर लिया है. Please do alert us to any errors discovered in this presentation so that they are addressed appropriately in the best interest of learners in all our future activities. Kindly send your feedback, including but not limited to honest opinions, meaningful suggestions, and constructive criticisms via email addressed to x99@yahoo.com. With best wishes from Mattavara Do All Institute of Technology, MDAIT. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. With this background information, let us start learning something new in the today's session. Just enjoy the today's session as much as we do it in providing this free, unique, and amazing virtual learning opportunity to everybody. Samskrita or Sanskrit for everybody. What we generally call Samskrita is changed to something like Sanskrit by English speaking people. So actually Sanskrit does not appeal as much as the word Samskrita. However, we continue to use either Samskrita or Sanskrit as it exists today. This being Kali Yuga, people will not wait. They will keep changing everything. They will not allow anything to remain as what it was. So therefore, we will have to make changes depending on the circumstances that we come across in future. Anybody is there, please?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Oh, very good morning. Now, not only in studies, everywhere we will have to use this three monkeys rule. Three monkeys rule is basically see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. So this is we have to do even at learning stage also, not only in Samskrita but learning any subject also. So the first monkey here is trying to close its eyes using its hands. The second monkey is putting his finger into the ear so that it is not able to hear anything that is evil. This monkey is trying to close its mouth using its hand just to prevent speaking no evil. So these things we will also use in study of all subjects, including but not limited to Sanskrit. Sarvesham krute Sanskritam. That means Sanskrit for everybody. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ in Kannada. Samskrita sarvatra means Sanskrit everywhere. In Kannada it means ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ. Punah smaranam. That means what you have done in the previous classes, let us try to revise a little bit and continue for learning new things. This can be written as Swaranam Punaha also, because Samskrita has the facility or what is called as Saulabhya in Kannada to make changes in position of the words. So there is no one pattern of writing words to make a sentence in any particular order. So generally we will make it such a way it is more easier to read and it looks something like a rhyme type of formation, so that easy to pronounce, read and remember. So whether punaha smaranam or smaranam punaha, they mean one and the same thing. It means remembering again and again what you have learned earlier. Now, because we need something like reading 5 times, reading 10 times, like that, writing 5 times, writing 10 times, that way, anywhere counting. See, for example, if somebody is trying to make something like an Ashtottara puja 108 times, they have to chant the same thing or use something like that. Then we can use this hand, our hand itself, for counting purposes. The method is like this. This thumb, first we will keep it here, this position, call it as 1. This is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These two we will not use because decimal system we need only 10 positions. Then we go back from here, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So one time if we go this way and come back like this, it becomes 20. So 5 times means 100. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we come here, it is 108. So that way we can use counting, because number of times we are chanting or anything is important. So that can be used. So after reaching 10 here, we can count it as 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then again 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, like that. 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Like that we can count any number of times. So just for revision, you can read this once.
Balah, balau, balaha.
Very good. We have read several times this one. So for starting with something, we have to start. So it is better to read something what you have already learned. Now, whether it is readable for you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can read this.
Rayam pratah, ratri shvah, parashvah, diva madhyane, adyayah, tvam kutra sadaiva pratah gacchasi, tvam kutra sarvada pratah gacchasi, sah sayam udyanam gacchami. अद्य अहं पाठशालां न गच्छामि। त्वम् अद्य पाठशालां गच्छसि किम्? This should be tum. It is there, sir.
No,
Tum
this
will
is
not come.
somebody has written, so we are just
Achha.
reading whatever is there. We are not worrying about the meaning, correctness, accuracy,
तुम
anything like that.
ओके तुम मध्याह्ने कुत्र गच्छसि? अहं मध्याह्ने ग्रामं गच्छामि। सः दिवा नगरं गच्छति। अहं रात्रौ गृहं गच्छामि। त्वं यत्र रात्रौ गच्छसि तत्र सः प्रातः गच्छति। तत्र अहं दिवा गच्छामि।
You can read it 2 more times. It is just we are reading whatever is there without interpreting or doing anything.
Okay.
Just written by some students, class notes.
Okay. सायं प्रातः रात्रिश्वः परश्वः दिवा मध्याह्ने अद्यं ह्यः अद्यं ह्यः त्वं कुत्र सदैव प्रातः गच्छसि? त्वं कुत्र सर्वदा प्रातः गच्छसि? सः सायम् उद्यानं गच्छामि। अद्य अहं पाठशालां न गच्छामि। त्वम् अद्य पाठशालां गच्छसि किम्? तुम मध्याह्ने कुत्र गच्छसि? अहं मध्याह्ने ग्रामं गच्छामि। सः दिवा नगरं गच्छति। अहं रात्रौ गृहं गच्छामि। त्वं यत्र रात्रि गच्छसि तत्र सः प्रातः गच्छति। तत्र अहं दिवा गच्छामि।
Yeah, you can read it once more.
सायं प्रातः रात्रिश्वः परश्वः दिवा मध्याह्ने अद्यं ह्यः त्वं कुत्र सदैव प्रातः गच्छसि? त्वं कुत्र सर्वदा प्रातः गच्छसि? सः सायम् उद्यानं गच्छामि। अद्य अहं पाठशालां न गच्छामि। त्वम् अद्य पाठशालां गच्छसि किम्? तुम मध्याह्ने कुत्र गच्छसि? अहं मध्याह्ने ग्रामं गच्छामि। सः दिवा नगरं गच्छति। अहं रात्रौ गृहं गच्छामि। त्वं यत्र रात्रौ गच्छसि तत्र सः प्रातः गच्छति। तत्र अहं दिवा गच्छामि.
So here, with whatever we have learnt in earlier class, you can identify what is the mistake and which one we can correct. Can you identify anything?
Yes, sir. Here, sayam mo should not be Vyanjan there. First word.
No, that is okay. That is okay. But anything else? I think you already told earlier. See here, where is my pointer?
It's up, sir. Take it down.
See, gachasi is there.
Sir.
That means this should be tvam.
Tvam, yes, sir.
So, like that, we can find the mistakes even done by experts also. So, this is the typing mistake like that. Now, can we make it into meaningful sentences and read accordingly these things?
Yes, sir.
Just try. Whatever comes, it is all right. Otherwise, we will study later.
These are the words, I guess. Sayam, Pratha,
That's all.
Ratri,
That's all. Yeah.
Swaha,
So the starting,
Parashvaha,
these
Diva.
are some of the words
Words, I
alone.
guess. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Maybe up
next
to,
are the sentences
yeah, up
using those
to
words.
here also, up to here, they're all the words only. Up
Madhyane,
to here.
Adya,
So
Yaha.
then here it starts with tvam. So there will be some gachasi somewhere.
That sentences are there till
Yeah.
that.
So that means this becomes a sentence.
Yes, sir.
So tvam kutra sadaiva pratah gachasi.
Pratah gachasi.
Like that. Next there is another tvam. So there must be a gachasi afterwards. So it is here. So tvam kutra sadaiva pratah gachasi. Saha means there should be gacha.
Avan, gachati.
Ti should be there. Saha sayam udyanam gachami. So this is wrong. It must be
This is
gachati.
Gachati.
Adya aham. Aham means there can be gachami.
Gachami, yes.
So it is here. So
Patashalam, no? Gachami.
Patasalam na gachami. I am not going to school.
School.
N means not. Then there is tvam here. Means there should be a gachasi somewhere. So it is here.
Yes.
So tvam adya patashalam gachasi. Kim. That means this converts into a question.
Yes, sir.
So, are you going to school today? That is what it will become. So, Kim will be the last one because of this type of construction.
Yes, sir.
The dash is there. Tum madhyane. Here, it is ha, then the na comes up. Vadhyahne, like that. But
Okay,
pronunciation is difficult. So, I saw a board in an apartment. It was written Jahnavi Apartments, Jahnavi Residence, like that. But people will call it as Janami.
Jahnavi, yes, sir. They will not pronounce her.
It is not Janami. It is actually Jahnavi, like that. So sometimes whatever is written correctly with some meaning attached to it, in practice it becomes something different. So I had given one example in some earlier class. I don't know whether you remember or you were there or not. See, there was one person by name Surya Narayana Murthy. This is a beautiful name given to him by their parents. When he was going to college, people were calling him Suri.
Okay.
And in the playground, they were calling him Nani. Then he went abroad, married an American lady. For them, pronouncing these Indian names is extremely difficult. So she made the name very short. She made him as Su. He was called as Su by that American lady. Like that, initially our intention will be something, we will give the best possible word, etc. But as we keep on using, the users will change the name and it will become something different. So in Kali Yuga particular, people will not allow anything to remain in the same state or condition. Everything will be changed. So, tum madhyane putra gachasi. So this is again, this must be tvam because of gachasi coming here, it gives hint there. Now without this also, if we read, it is understood that it is addressed to tvam, that is for you. Aham madhyane gramam gachami. So aham is there, so naturally there should be gachami should be there. Saha diva Nagaram gacchati means diva means daytime. During daytime, he goes to city. Aham ratrau gruham gacchami. So aham is there, so there must be gacchami should be there. Ratrau, that means in the night I'll go to my house. Tum yatra ratrau gacchasi tatra saha pratah gacchati. So that means here this person is going to the going in the night, but this person at that time will only go in the morning. So tvam yatra means when, ratrau gacchati, tatra saha is he, prata gacchati, he goes only in the morning, whereas you are going in the night. Tvam means you. Tatra aham diva gacchami. So aham is followed by gacchami. Diva is daytime. Tatra, at that time, I am going in the daytime. Something like that it can come. Now try reading these things. Read it about 3 times. Let us see how it looks.
Yes, sir.
Whether
Yadi-
anybody has come?
No, sir.
No. Okay, we will continue, no problem.
Yadi tarhi gamishyati yatha.
So this is for R and this is he. So tarhi.
Tarhi. Yadi tarhi gamishyasi yatha tatha katham. Gamishyami Jalandhara Nagaram Haridwara Nagaram Yadi Tvam Jalandhara Paha Gamishyasi Tarhi Aham Haridwaram Parashvaha Gamishyami Yadi Tvam Gamishyasi Tada aham gamishyami. Yadi tvam nagara gamishyasi tarhi aham na gamishyami. Sah harharidwar dwaram harhari. Should be haridwar.
It can be typing mistake. So
Yes, sir.
we can identify it is Haridwaram. So this has come extra.
Haridwaram shvaha gamishyati tah swaha pratah jalandhara nagaram gamishyati. Yatra saha shva gamishyati tatra aham parashvaha. Gamishyami tvam parashvaha gramam gamishyasi kim. Na aham adhya sayam nagaram gamishyami tatha tvam gacchasi tatha saha gacchati.
You can read it 2 more times.
Yadi tarhi gamishyasi gamishyati yatha tatha katham. Gamishyami Jalandharam Haridwar Nagaram Yadi Tvam Jalandhar Nagaram Shvaha Gamishyasi Tarhi Aham Haridwar Parashvaha Gamishyami. Yadi Tvam Gamishyasi Tada Aham Gamishyami. Yadi Tvam Na Gamishyasi Tarhi Aham Na Gamishyami. Sah Haridwaram Swaha Gamishyati Sah Swaha Pratah Jalandhara Nagaram Gamishyati. यत्र सः श्वः गमिष्यति तत्र अहं परश्वः गमिष्यामि। त्वं परश्वः ग्रामं गमिष्यसि किं न अहम् अद्य सायं नगरं गमिष्यामि तथा त्वं गच्छसि तथा सः गच्छति।
Yeah, you can repeat it once more.
Yes, sir. यदि तार्हि गच्छयसि गच्छयति
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, this is ಗಮಿಷ್ಯಾಸಿ.
गमिष्यामि sorry sir यदि
ಗಮಿಷ್ಯಾಸಿ
यदि
ಗಮಿಷ್ಯಸಿ
तार्हि one more time I'll read.
ತಾರ್ಹಿ.
यदि
ತಾರ್ಹಿ
तार्हि
ಹಾ
गमिष्यसि गमिष्यति यथा तथा कथं गमिष्यामि जलन्धरं हरिद्वारं यदि त्वं जलन्धरनगरं श्वः गमिष्यसि तर्हि अहं हरिद्वारं परश्वः गमिष्यामि। यदि त्वं गमिष्यसि तदा अहं गमिष्यामि। यदि त्वं न गमिष्यसि तर्हि अहं न गमिष्यामि। सः हरिद्वारं श्वः गमिष्यति सः श्वः प्रातः जलन्धरं गमिष्यति। यत्र सः श्वः गमिष्यति तत्र अहं परश्वः गमिष्यामि। त्वः परश्वः ग्रामं गमिष्यसि किं न अहम् अद्य सायं नगरं गमिष्यामि तथा त्वं गच्छसि तथा सः गच्छति।
Very good. Now try this one. You can read this also 3 times. Hello.
Oh, sorry sir. Sir, I was on mute and I was reading.
ಹೌದಾ? Okay. Yeah, because
Sorry,
not
sir.
many people are there, you can keep it unmuted only. So unless there is local sound it is all okay.
Sorry sir, I was reading, keeping on reading.
कर्तम्.
Okay. कर्तं तत्र सः श्वः न गमिष्यति सः तत्र श्वः गमिष्यति। सः सायम् उद्यानं न गच्छति कः मध्याह्ने पाठशालां न गच्छति। अहं रात्रौ नगरं न गच्छामि कः तत्र दिवा न गच्छति। त्वं श्वः जलन्धरं न गमिष्यसि किं यथा त्वं न गच्छसि तथा सः न गच्छति। कथं सः न गच्छति सः रात्रौ कुत्र न गमिष्यति। यत्र त्वं गमिष्यसि तत्र सः न गमिष्यति। गम् आगम गच्छति गच्छसि गच्छामि गमिष्यति गमिष्यसि गमिष्यामि आगच्छति आगच्छसि आगच्छामि आगमिष्यामि आगमिष्यसि आगमिष्यसि आगमिष्यति अपि नहि च औषधालयं वनं कूपम्।
You can read it once more to become familiar with the words.
Yes sir. कर्तं तत्र सः श्वः न गमिष्यति सः तत्र श्वः गमिष्यति सः सायम् उद्यानं न गच्छति कः मध्याह्ने पाठशालां न गच्छति अहं रात्रौ नगरं न गच्छामि, कः तत्र दिवा न गच्छति, त्वं श्वः जलन्धरं न गच्छसि,
गमिष्यति
गमिष्यति
गमिष्यसि
गमिष्यसि, त्वं श्वः जलन्धरं न गमिष्यसि, किं यथा त्वं न गच्छसि तथा सः न गच्छति, कथं सः न गच्छति, सः रात्रौ कुत्र कुत्र न गमिष्यति, यत्र यत्र त्वं गमिष्यसि तत्र तत्र सः न गमिष्यति, गम आगम गच्छति गच्छसि गच्छामि, गमिष्यति गमिष्यसि गमिष्यामि, आगच्छति आगच्छसि आगच्छामि, आगमिष्यामि आगमिष्यसि आगमिष्यसि, आगमिष्यति अपि नहि च औषधालयं वनं कूपम्.
Good, very good. Now try this one.
यदा त्वं वनं गच्छयसि गमिष्यसि तदा अहम् अपि आगमिष्यामि, यदा तत्र सः गमिष्यति तदा तत्र त्वं न आगमिष्यति, किम् अहं प्रातः आगमिष्यति, किम् अहं प्रातः गमिष्यामि, सायं च आगमिष्यामि, कदा त्वं तत्र गमिष्यसि, अहं मध्याह्ने तत्र गमिष्यामि, यदि त्वं गमिष्यसि सः अपि न आगमिष्यति, भक्षयति भक्षयसि भक्षयामि, अन्नं फलं मोदकं भक्षयिष्यति भक्षयिष्यसि भक्षयिष्यामि, ओदनं मुदुगौदनं आमम् आम्रं, सः अन्नं भक्षयति, त्वं मोदक भक्षयसि, अहं फलं खादयामि, सः आन्दोलनं भक्षयिष्यति.
You can read it 2 times more.
यदा त्वं वनं गमिष्यसि यदा त्वं वनं गमिष्यसि तदा अहम् अपि आगमिष्यामि, यदा तत्र सः आगमिष्यति तदा तत्र त्वं न आगमिष्यति, किम् अहं प्रातः गमिष्यामि, सायं च आगमिष्यामि, कदा त्वं तत्र गमिष्यसि, अहं मध्याह्ने तत्र गमिष्यामि, यदि त्वं गमिष्यसि सः अपि न आगमिष्यति, भक्षयसि भक्षयामि, अन्नं फलं मोदकं भक्षयिष्यसि that was भक्षयिष्यामि, आन्दोलनं ओदनं sorry ओदनं ओदन्नं मुदु मुदुगौदनं मुदुगौदनम् आमम् आम्रम् आमम्
Ambram, this is also Ambram.
आम्रमम्
There is a line here.
okay
There is a line.
आम्रमम् आम्रम्
Ambram.
आम्रं सः अन्नं भक्षयति त्वं मोदकं भक्षयसि अहं फलं खादयामि सः आन्दोलनं इष्यति
Odanam bhaksayishyati.
ओदनं भक्षयिष्यति
Now you can
इष्यति
see here several words, which are similar like this. See, gamishyati, gamishyasi, gamishyami here. So it is like gacchasi, gacchati, gacchami, like that. Can you see the pattern?
yes sir
Like that. See here.
गमिष्यसि गमिष्यति गमिष्यामि
And here you see bhakshayisi is there. Bhakshayiti, yati. Bhakshayam, kadayame, bhakshayam, bhakshi. This is also there, that is here. That is, say bhaksha, bhakshayati,
yes sir
bhakshayasi, bhakshayame. Then bhakshayishyasi, bhakshayishyati, bhakshayishyami. So the pattern you have to recognize so that you will know where it will be used. You are able to
yes
follow?
sir yes sir
So this is okay. So bhakshayati, bhakshayasi, then bhaksha ishyati. This is the different. Bhaksha yami will be there somewhere. Just like this. Same
yes
thing
sir
here also.
Agaccha.
Agamishyasi,
Agamishyasi.
agamishyati, agamishyami, ishyami. Like that, this also will be bhaksha yasi, bhakshayami, bhakshayati. Like that. So those words patterns are similar. So we will know where to use which one. So when tvam comes, we will use this one, gamishyasi. Where saha comes, it will be gamishyati. Where aham comes, it will be gamishyami. Like that. So even if we don't use these words, this means indirectly means it is tvam. This means it is this saha, and this means it is aha. Like that. You can read it once more, then we will go to next line.
yes sir यदा त्वं वनं गमिष्यसि तदा अहम् अपि आगमिष्यामि यदा तत्र सः गमिष्यति तदा तत्र त्वं न आगमिष्यति किम् अहं प्रातः गमिष्यामि सायं च आगमिष्यामि कदा त्वं तत्र गमिष्यसि अहं मध्याह्ने तत्र गमिष्यामि यदि त्वं गमिष्यसि सः अपि न आगमिष्यति भक्षयसि भक्षयामि अन्नं फलं मोदकं भक्षयिष्यसि भक्षयिष्यामि ओदनं मुदुगौदनम् आम्रं सः अन्नं भक्षयति त्वं मोदकं
Bhakshayasi.
मोदकं भक्षयसि अहं फलं खादयामि, सः ओदनं भक्षयिष्यति.
Ah, very good. You can try this also.
Yes. त्वम् आम्रं भक्षयिष्यसि, अहं मुदुगोदनं भक्षयिष्यामि. यदि सः वनं रात्रः गमिष्यति तर्हि आम्रं भक्षयिष्यति. अहं तत्र गमिष्यामि, फलं च भक्षयिष्यामि. सः गृहम् सः गृहं गमिष्यति, मोदकं च मोदकं च भक्षयिष्यति. किं सः अन्न भक्षयिष्यति तथा तत्र अहम् आम्रं भक्षयिष्यामि, तथा सः ओदनं भक्षयिष्यति.
You can read it 2 more times.
त्वम् आम्रं भक्षयिष्यसि, अहं मृदुगोदनं भक्षयिष्यामि. यदि सः वनं रात्रः गमिष्यति तर्हि आम्रं भक्षयिष्यति. अहं तत्र गमिष्यामि, फलं च भक्षयिष्यामि. सः गृहं गमिष्यति, मोदकं च भक्षयिष्यति. किं सः अन्नं भक्षयिष्यति तथा तत्र अहम् आम्रं भक्षयिष्यामि, तथा सः ओदनं भक्षयिष्यति.
Once more.
त्वम् आम्रं भक्षयिष्यसि, अहं मृदुगोदनं भक्षयिष्यामि. यदि सः वनं रातः गमिष्यति तर्हि आम्रं भक्षयिष्यति. अहं तत्र गमिष्यामि, फलं च भक्षयिष्यामि. सः गृहं गमिष्यति, मोदकं च भक्षयिष्यति. किं सः अन्नं भक्षयिष्यति तथा तत्र अहम् आम्रं भक्षयिष्यामि, तथा सः ओदनं भक्षयिष्यति.
Very good. Oh, you can read this also. This you can read once.
सः त्वम् अहं गच्छति गच्छसि गच्छामि. सः गच्छति, त्वं गच्छसि, अहं गच्छामि. कुत्र, यत्र, अत्र, तत्र, सर्वत्र. किं त्वं कुत्र गच्छसि? यत्र सः गच्छति अहं तत्र गच्छामि. सः कुत्र गच्छति? यः अहं गच्छामि. त्वं सर्वत्र गच्छसि किं? सः गच्छति किं? सः गच्छति किं? सः कुत्र गच्छति? यत्र त्वं गच्छसि. त्वं गच्छसि किम्? अहं सर्वत्र गच्छामि. न अस्ति कः नास्ति. अहं न गच्छामि, त्वं न गच्छसि, सः न गच्छति, अहं तत्र न गच्छामि. One more time.
You can read this once.
त्वं सर्वत्र न गच्छसि. त्वं सर्वत्र न गच्छसि. किं सः? Can you please?
Huh?
I can't see that.
Yeah. There is battery is down. I'm charging. Oh, I think current electricity is not there.
Okay, sir.
Uh, yeah, UPS, it was running.
I have
Now,
taken a photo of that. Can I read
now
from
electricity
that?
is not there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think, yeah, electricity is not there. So we'll stop here. Tomorrow I have some function, so I'll be attending. Maybe Sunday we
Okay, sir.
can meet. Sunday shall we keep at 6 o'clock in the morning?
Okay, sir. No issue.
So Sunday we'll keep at 6 o'clock. Anyway, this
Okay, sir.
whatever has come so far, that record I will send you. You can go
Okay, sir.
through once more so that you will become familiar with the words which may come across strangely, and
Okay.
maybe that some of the mistakes we can identify what it can be there, like that. We can make some meaningful sentences out of them. All that things we can try as exercise. So it will
Okay,
be
sir.
helpful. So we'll continue on Sunday morning at 6 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So this program is brought to you by Mattavara Dual Institute of Technology. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. Learn free at any time, learn free at any place, learn free at any place. This is an Atmanirbhara Bharata initiative. Go green, save trees. Thanks to Corona for having made this possible.